Welcome to Y4K Kids. I am your Yahvi Kumar. This is Y4K Kitchen. La 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 Kids. Today we are going to make hot dosa in Y4K Kitchen. In same idli batter we can make dosa also. In the previous video I have already showed you how to make idli batter. With idli batter we can make dosa. First we will prepare idli batter. This is all the soak. Soak it for 2 hours. Now let us grind this in mixie. Now let us grind. Now the idli batter is ready. Add required amount of salt in it and mix it well. In same idli batter we can make dosa also. On the gas and keep the dosa pan. Let the pan become hot. Let us make dosa. Put some oil. Turn the dosa. We can transfer this to a vessel. Now one dosa is ready. Let us make another dosa. Now second dosa is also ready. Y4K dosa is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.